Okay, hi, I'm Nathaniel. I will show you how to train a dog.
Chihuahua.
I just found this chihuahua in my basement. Okay, so look. See the chihuahua? Train it. Okay, you see it right there. See, look.
The dog.
Look, he's surrendering. See? I'll do the video again. Okay. Get that. See? Now, he's very cute. So, I need you to take very good care of my puppy for me.
Is that a she?
This is my little she doggy. Like his tail. Oh, hi. Hi.
It's crying. Don't kill it.
Oh, I'm sorry, Coco. Did I hurt you?
Oh, don't show that.
Coco?
Tiny. It's really tiny.
It's a freaking girl. Well, why are you looking at the private part? I'm gonna take it out of the camera. There. No private part for you. Did my boo-boo?
Making the baddest video ever now.
Shut up. I'm making how to train dogs. See, look at my dog surrendering.
Last video fail and the video before that major fail and then I drink Red Bull.
I drank the Red Bull yesterday.
That was like really really like.
I know. My nana was sleeping when I made that video. Hi, Tizzy. So this is my Chihuahua purebred Coco. It's so cute and real kick you. Do you want my puppy gonna kick you? My puppy gonna kick you?
It will whip you with its tail.
Yeah, power whip. You guys see Ninja Assassin when the guy had the power whip? Coco has a power whip.
Don't rape the dog.
Shut up. I'm not allowed no bad things in my video. Stop poking me. Oh my gosh. This is my friend Charles. He is on most of my other videos. And I think my dog is too. The first one that I messed up. Gangster Mike's webcam thing. I forgot what title on. But there's my Coco. Hey. You like snakes? I love snakes. Do you know what else? I know that I'm not allowed to say anything.
It really does
Do
like
you
snakes.
like a porno?
He
Just
loves snakes.
Ask, yes. Oh, is that my pet? I got pet snake. And this is his tongue. Let's see if I can fit the tongue in the camera. Hey, lick. That's my dog's tongue. And that is my pet T-Rex. I call him T-Rex. He's my
This
actually.
looks like something very weird.
Shut up, Charles. You like that stuff.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
It's like poking people with it.
You like to poke lots of stuff with it. Boy's mouse.
So she said.
That's what she said. Just put him on the camera. Just put your face in the camera.
Okay then. Just that right there.
Okay, my blankie. Not in the camera.
Chihuahua and
Go to Mr. Kobe 10. He's pretty good, but he doesn't upload videos. He only favorites them.
Yep.
So
I would be uploading right now.
yeah, we should upload your videos.
Yeah.
So just go to Kobe 10 soon, You should say like one video because somebody doesn't like to make videos.
I know.
Buy a webcam.
I already have a webcam built right in on my laptop.
Me too. You don't have to touch that webcam.
Let me drill it out.
No, I don't want you to drill.
I'll drill it out.
I'll drill you. That's what she said.
From you. Well,
Holy, it's only 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 37 seconds. 8. That's my belt. That's my dog. Don't hurt the dog. I wish that this could play lots, and I wish I could like do the whole video of me fully asleep. I should.
You should.
I should.
Yeah.
You should just like stand in the corner, and like,
do random stuff.
and then like each time do like part 1. Just say like part 1 of Nathaniel sleeping, and then part 2 of Nathaniel sleeping. And then like I'm fucking like possessed or something, man. I like. I'll show you what I do. Cool. I'll go show what I do when I sleep. It's only the 4th kind in like Paranormal Activity, so like copyrights of those movies are in my video. Okay, so this is what I do.
Hi, Coco.
I'll see if I can do it. Okay, look.
Likes me.
Okay.
He's taking a crap.
I'm not taking them. Okay, this is what I do. Just put this at the end of the bed so it shows what all I do. Okay. This is what I do. Nathaniel sleeping.
Oh, you're hitting Coco. You're hitting Coco.
Oh, sorry, Coco. You're gonna come back.
He like broke her arm.
I'm sorry.
Like,
I am actually a nice person. Hey,
Yeah.
Coco, sorry.
you broke her arm. You like friend fell on her.
Well, why is there like a black screen?
His face is in there.
Oh, maybe it's overheating. What the heck?
I'm right here, Coco.
It's Charlie Brown. Hey, Franklin. Charles's nickname's... I don't know, it's Hitler.
I forgot that bald guy's name. I started calling Caillou.
Oh, Kylo has cancer?
Yeah, Caillou.
Hey, Coco, help?
Coco doesn't want to go near you.
Okay, I'm gonna upload a video. I'm not sure if I did already, but Coco, help. Holy crap, see? That's freaking hot, dude. Yeah. Okay. I got a poster up there. That's my poster, see? Like, in my other room, watch Paranormal Activity, and where the camera is, I'm gonna do videos like that, man. The freaking door in my basement, where I play Xbox, the door closes and the lights go off. And like, I have like weird like Saw videos like popping up. Cause I got that little DVD thing where you put like 8 videos in or stuff like that. I'm sorry if I hurt you. I'm sorry if I hurt you when I do that possessed thing when you're sleeping with me. Did I ever hurt you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Come back to me. Come.
Oh,
Give it back. I'm thirsty. Oh, I have pizza pops. I'm gonna make a pizza pop. Are you actually gonna sleep over?
yeah, I'll flip over.
Yay. And my first friend. I'm just kidding. I have lots of friends.
Not more than me.
Yeah. My dog is my friend. See? You're my friend. We're friends.
I got one more friend than you.
It's Coco. The video's gonna end soon. It's gonna go like all weirdy and like say like it's actually like 10 minutes or something. It's gonna be like 9. Okay, I'm just gonna thank you for wasting 10 minutes of your time watching my video. I'm probably not that popular, but thank you.